We're getting some questions, Dr. Roher, about Morpheus8 and how long does it last?
So Morpheus8, that's one of our most popular treatments because it gets great results and has minimum downtime. But what it is, it's microneedles go into the skin and then there's a pulse of energy amongst the needle tips. So the energy is delivered to the deeper dermal layers. And so it's really like it tightens up the skin, it minimizes the pores, it just makes your skin glow. And so typically results last between 1 to 3 years, usually around 2. Best results, I would recommend doing a package of 3, 1 month apart. So today, a month from today, and a few months from today. Another cool thing about Morpheus8 is that you can use it on the body. So it's got many different settings. It's called Morpheus8 because the needles go 7 millimeters down and the energy goes an extra 1 millimeter. So it's 8 millimeters. And then you could do 3 pulses at, let's say, 7, 5, and 3. So you're really tightening skin at many different layers. And so I've had a lot of success using that modality on postpartum women. So women that have had babies, they're relatively thin, and they have some laxity of the skin still as a result of the pregnancy. A couple of body treatments on those patients, and they really tightens up that little problem area for them.
I've done Morpheus8 3 times now, and I saw a huge difference in my jawline. I thought it did a lot of nice skin tightening, and as always, microneedling is fantastic for minimizing the pores. I think it really makes me look glassy.